Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by backing up anything you need. A factory reset erases local data. Make sure the Chromebook is plugged in and note if it's enterprise managed because that affects enrollment. Sign out of your account, then at the login screen press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R to open the Power Wash dialog. Once done, click Restart and then Power Wash when prompted. This starts the wipe. You're initiating the reset now, so the device can return to a clean state without delay. You'll see a confirmation screen. Read it and confirm to proceed because this permanently removes local accounts and settings. If Power Wash fails or the OS is corrupted, make a recovery USB or SD using the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer. Select the exact model ID from the bottom of your Chromebook or from the recovery menu to avoid mismatches. Once the recovery media is ready, insert it and follow the on-screen steps. That reinstalls Chrome OS cleanly. After the reset or recovery install, you'll walk through the setup flow, connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and choose sync options to restore apps and settings. Make sure to check for system updates and re-enable any security features. If your Chromebook is managed, it may automatically re-enroll and apply admin policies. Contact the administrator if you need different behavior. Troubleshooting tip. If the normal Power Wash won't start, create and use a recovery USB from another computer to force a fresh OS install.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.